Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Money Steps. Today I'm going to show you how to requesting for replacing of the expired Maybank debit card to the Maybank to you website. So before we proceeding for the replacing instructions, we may need to bring out the debit card to check whether our card is going to expiring soon. So you can refer to the valid through the month and the year at the bottom left side of the card. You can see that the month, if the month already closed, let's say next month is going to expire, you can submit the requesting expiry replacing of the debit card in the Maybank to website. So we go to the website www.maybanktoyou.com.my. So we key in the username and the password to log in. Upon we log in, we need to go to the top right side to select for the setting. So after we select for the setting, we need to go to the menu of the card options. First settings and the second will be the cards. So it will bring us to the manage debit card page. So in this page, we need to scroll downward to look for the option debit card replace, activate and block. So we need to click the arrows and it come up for the option of our debit card. It's showing the status is active. So we need to selecting for the three dot over there as a menu, and we select for the replace card. So it brings us to the next page, which is the address. We need to key in the address. So in order for the Maybank to arrangement for the replacement card, send to the following address, which we are filling up right now. Upon we fill up the address, we need to select for the replace card, and you come up for the option for the secure verifications over here, which means that you need to get ready for the Maybank to your apps in your phone to approve for the verifications. So we need to click this request. Upon we click the request, we will given 1 minute stamps to proceed approval in our Maybank to you apps. Okay, so here is the example for the apps authorizations transactions. So it pop up in the phone, so we can select reject or approve. So in this case, I'm going to approve it. Once I approve, the transaction is successful, so we click done. So the website will become up the option showing the status at your card has been replaced. Your card will be sent to our address. So it's very easy, right? I believe this thing can be done within 2 minutes times, as easy as you access to the Maybank to website and you go to the selections, setting and cards, then you come to the option for replacement of the debit card, then key in the address, approval in the Maybank to your apps. Everything has been completed. It's easy as that. That's all for today. Thank you very much and goodbye.